Okay, so now let's look at this, please. So, now this is a whole, right?
Yes.
This is a whole. And you can see that it can be divided into 4 parts, which is what? Quarter. It can be divided into 4 parts, which is quarter. Now, let's say I take away 1 part. Now, did I remove the whole thing?
No.
I only removed what? 1 part. How many was it before?
4.
It was 4. Now look here, it was 4.
Miss, why are you writing 4?
So I want you to understand how fraction works. How many was it before? 4. And I removed how many?
1.
So if I eat this one now, let's pretend I ate it. Okay, let's listen. You're closing your ear. Let's listen. Now let's pretend I ate it. How many parts did I eat?
1.
I ate 1 part out of how many parts?
4.
So I ate 1 part out of 4 parts. So this is 1 over 4. So this now is a fraction. So that is how we said. Yes, I can see it. So that is why we said fraction is a part of a whole. The whole of this pizza is divided into 4 parts. And I only ate how many parts? 1. So that is 1 part over 4 parts. I ate 1 out of the 4 parts. Now who can tell me, if I've eaten 1 out of the 4 parts, how many is remaining? 3 over how many parts?
1.
3 over how many parts? 4. So you can see that. Beautiful. That is what? Fraction. So I ate 1. So if I ask you now, what fraction of pizza did Miss Dairo eat? What fraction of pizza did Miss Dairo eat? So Miss Dairo ate 1 over 4. And we said 4 is what? Quarter, right? So you can also say Miss Dairo ate 1/4 of the pizza. Miss Dairo ate 1/4 of the pizza. And if I ask you, if Miss Dairo ate 1/4 of the pizza, how many parts is remaining? 3. Again? Again?
3/4.
Beautiful. A round of applause for yourself. Now let's take another example. Now let's say beautiful, thank you. So let's say I took this first part and another one. Now, so I need someone to tell me, if I took 2, how many did I eat?
2
over what? 2 over what?
4.
And what are we going to call this?
4. 2 over 4.
So I call it 2 over 4 or what?
2 over 4.
Now, someone said, so yeah, we can call it 2/4, and someone said something.
2 over